I'm going to be showing you how to do the two birds on a wire trend. Okay, so let me just set up my camera. Sorry, I just need to set it up. Sorry, I'm watching Teen Titans. The remote. Sorry.
Save it, basket case. I have one chance left.
Okay, sorry. So just to go to birds, you know the clocket thing, going to clocket. Two birds. And a one. So let's try the wire. Okay? Oh. Let's do wire now. Let's do wire. Two birds on a wire. So you get this, your pinky finger, and then this. It's kind of like the same sign language. And you get your other hand, do the exact same thing, and then you connect them, and then drag apart. Two birds on a wire. And then these two fingers are bent, and they sit down, and they perch, kind of like a bird would. And then just do the same thing. Two birds on a wire. One, so you put your pointer finger on the other. One says, put your four fingers and say, come on. Says, come on. Okay. And then it says, so one says, come on. Okay, and the other says, I'm tired. Says, I'm tired.